Are you looking for the best budget CPUs? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best budget CPUs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. AMD's exceptionally fast, highly discounted Ryzen 7 5700G is an integrated graphics-equipped, 8-core workhorse CPU of major proportions, slaying gaming records with its Radeon graphics silicon alone. Core count 8. Thread count 16. Base clock frequency 3.8 GHz. Maximum boost clock 4.6 GHz. Unlocked multiplier. Socket compatibility. AMD AM4. Lithography 7 nanometers. L3 cache amount 16 megabytes. Thermal design power, TDP, rating, 65 watts. Integrated graphics, AMD Radeon RX Vega 8. Integrated graphics base clock, 2000 MHz. Bundled cooler, AMD Wraith Stealth. Number 2. Intel Core i5-10400. Upgrading to any Comet Lake CPU has its budget and platform dead-end implications. But for a 6-core chip with gaming chops, the Core i5-10400 is as good as it gets in Intel's 10th generation stack. Core count 6. Thread count 12. Base clock frequency 2.9 GHz. Maximum boost clock 4.3 GHz. Unlocked multiplier. Socket compatibility. Intel LGA 1200. Lithography 14 nanometers. L3 cache amount 12 megabytes. Thermal design power, TDP, rating 65 watts. Integrated graphics, Intel UHD Graphics 630. Integrated graphics base clock 350 MHz. Bundled cooler, Intel stock cooler. Number 3. AMD Ryzen 5 5500. AMD's Ryzen 5 5500 delivers decent performance for non-gaming tasks, but it trails slightly costlier AMD and Intel CPUs in our benchmarks, making it a second-tier pick. Core count 6. Thread count 12. Base clock frequency 3.6 GHz. Maximum boost clock 4.2 GHz. Unlocked multiplier. Socket compatibility. AMD AM4. Lithography 7 nanometers. L3 cache amount 16 megabytes. Thermal design power, TDP, rating 65 watts. Integrated graphics, none. Integrated graphics base clock. Bundled cooler, AMD Wraith Stealth. Number 4. Intel Core i3-10100. Intel's entry-level Core i3-10100 CPU runs cool, and while it was outclassed by AMD chips during its prime, it has found new life-supporting systems with dedicated graphics. Core count 4. Thread count 8. Base clock frequency 3.6 GHz. Maximum boost clock 4.3 GHz. Unlocked multiplier. Socket compatibility. Intel LGA 1151. Lithography 14 nanometers. L3 cache amount 6 megabytes. Thermal design power, TDP, rating 65 watts. Integrated graphics, Intel UHD Graphics 630. Integrated graphics base clock 350 MHz. Bundled cooler, Intel stock cooler. Number 5. AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. Looking to play PC games without a graphics card? AMD's Ryzen 5 5600G CPU and its integrated graphics give cash-strapped gamers a superb, value-focused option that Intel can't match. Core count 6. Thread count 12. Base clock frequency 3.9 GHz. Maximum boost clock 4.4 GHz. Unlocked multiplier. Socket compatibility. AMD AM4. Lithography. 7 nanometers. L3 cache amount. 16 megabytes. Thermal design power. TDP. Rating. 65 watts. Integrated graphics. AMD Radeon RX Vega 7. Integrated graphics base clock. 1900 MHz. Bundled cooler. AMD Wraith Stealth.